All right, so I made it to Jimmy's. He's letting me use his tire machine to mount up these little wheels for the Beat. Thank you, Jimmy.
Yes, sir.
He's over there doing his work to his GX, JZX, whatever.
GX. Everyone keeps calling it GX. Just because it's not turbo doesn't mean it's a GX.
GX is whatever.
I just made a statement on video. I'm like, guys, stop calling it damn GX. It's a JZX.
But it's coming out fucking awesome. The paint was all, I don't know how, I'm sure you guys know, whenever a white car comes from Japan, it's all chalky and
it looks like
weird.
It's sat in the Atlantic for 20 years.
Yeah, they look terrible, but his is coming out top notch. It's actually coming out really nice.
Is it tight?
Yeah. Yep, so that is tight.
I cannot wait to see this thing on.
I know, me too.
There's the button.
See how it works.
Oh, sorry, my thing's fucked up.
That's all right.
That'll take a second. Gee, yeah, these are tight.
Oh, I wasn't expecting you to do it. I would have did it.
Well, you know what
It
it
doesn't
is?
matter.
My machine's quirky.
Bam.
Because you know how like when you get like fake TEs?
Yeah, some of
like,
them are bad.
They're noticeable. Like the fact that they did the OG 2-color wagon tires.
Woo! Did it pop on the back?
Oh,
Nope,
no,
I guess not. Where we at? Should be 40 right there, right? Fucking minute.
Alright, let's check it out.
Look at that.
Perfect fit.
Oh, that's
Like literally like
awesome.
OEM spec fitment.
These are like tits on the Beat.
That's so funny. And they're like super light too, which is nice.
Yeah, they're really perfect for it.
I can't wait to see it. On the silver too. Good touch, Mike.
I was gonna paint it white, but I think I might just keep it silver now. So let's pop the center cap back in. Not a bad looking setup. Oh shit! I probably should have looked, seen if this is the right size tire. If it's inside or outside. Outside, good.
That's good. It's
Yeah,
good.
yeah, that's like perfect sizing.
How hard was it to find that tire?
Oh, it's easy.
Easy,
It was
14?
$200 for all 4 of them. Yeah.
Can't beat that.
Yeah, cheapies.
Watch your fingers, Michael. Watch your.
Ow! Oh, your fingers, Michael! Oh!
Wait, don't get a call in there, Michael.
No!
120.
120, 140, 160, and bam. Wham, bam, thank you, Dan.
200. Wow.
Look at that, I have a real race car now. Even though I only have 2 of them.
Put them on one side, they'll never know.
Exactly.
Put them on the curb side so when you drive on the road.
Well, explain how this works. They left from the same, these tires left from the same factory, same day, and 2 of them show up today and 2 of them are in Illinois. How does that work?
What it ship? FedEx?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why.
exactly.
See, I guessed it.
Let's put them over here so we can look at them. I wish you had a car that we could try them on.
DJ's K-Van.
Is his 4x100?
Yeah.
Really?
I think so.
No, I don't think it, I don't know.
Google it. You're right. I think it's 114.
Yeah, I don't know if it's.
We can mock it up. You kind of do.
Yeah, you don't have it. You don't have any. Oh, Ant's car's not fucking 4-lug anymore. Fucking put him on that. How cool
Wait,
did
what
it
is
look
that?
like?
That's 100 or 114?
100.
Yeah, we could mock them up on DJs though, kind of.
Maybe.
Yeah, whatever.
He does a
So-
lot, dude. It is for it.
Michael,
Show them the wheels, Mike.
we're gonna tune
Yeah.
this thing. They have to sell a standalone for this thing.
Jimmy is gonna tune this thing, and we're aiming for 150.
When we throwing the lift on this thing, brother?
I got it. Let's do it. I want.
the lift?
I thought you were
Yeah,
gonna
I got
slam it.
2-inch. Nah, 2-inch lift.
2-inch.
Pizza cutters.
I gotta find tires for it though first.
Keep the pizza cutters.
I would go skinnier.
I don't think they make skinnier. They failed me inspection them for these tires. They're non-DOT.
Non-DOT, Michael.
Yeah.
Really? You're gonna
And
die.
then I put them back on.
They're snows.
They're not snows.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not. These are fucking snow
I
tires.
thought the lines mean the squigglies mean snow.
No, I mean super off-road.
Really?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying right here?
so what?
Yeah, no, these aren't snow tires.
These got imported with them.
Yeah.
With it.
Not these wheels. These wheels are off a Kia.
But the tires.
It's off IKEA.
I bought them from the junkyard.
Really?
Yeah.
They fit.
Well, a Kia.
Sportage or some shit.
I don't know, square motherfuckers.
Axe Kia.
Ugly ass square junk fucking
Oh, shit.
square. Was it a Kia or a Hyundai or something? But there's not many that have this big of a center bore. That's why I had to get them off.
Huge
Yeah.
yeah.
But then
Oh,
I realized when I put them on, look it, there's no fucking holes on one side.
What the fuck?
Yeah, look it, you can see it on the back.
So ugly.
For structure.
Shut the fuck up.
I don't know why.
It's a structure.
It's just missing a couple holes.
Oh, it's coming through right here.
Yeah, it's always been like that. Jimmy's fucking juicing me up.
We'll get you so slippery you can drift this.
Oh my god, this thing could be drifting when I leave.
Oh yeah. It don't look like they made it in '96 anymore.
Now everybody's like, damn, that's a nice whip.
You're usually supposed to go to the gas station and then do this.
Look at
Put a
that.
sub back there with that little kid.
Oh, that smells good. Might have to spray my headliner with that.
That's the purple McGuire. That's the McGuire.
Yeah, that's what Brian's right.
Oh yeah, look at the shiny ass rim. It's got the Daihatsu center caps on it.
Bro, how the fuck does he even get that rust?
Because someone had something drilled up top here.
Oh no, so
Yeah. So yes, but I fixed the top. I just gotta fix the sides now. Ooh, look at that, brand new. This is like a used car dealership.
Yeah, we've been in New
Jazzy.
Jersey. We've been in New Jersey.
He's giving it the Jersey spec.
This is the Jersey special right here.
The JDM Classics.
Look like Gotham Dream Cars.
Right.
Dude, look at it. It looks juicy. Look how nice that
Hit
looks.
the red terminal cover right there. Got that? Yeah.
Just replaced.
Detail.
New radiator hose.
New radiator hose, HCAS. HCAS.
Look at that. Right off the part shop. Oh, you know what? Timing belt just done.
Just done.
Dude, we'd make so much money in Japan.
It was just done.
Well, now it looks like it was just done.
This is off a fucking go-kart.
It sure looks like it.
It is.
New intake.
I thought he was gonna spray the filter.
It's
Brand new filter.
alright. It's like a nitrous. Look at that. It's like a brand new fucking car.
Tell you what, this shit smells like
Price just went up.
popsicle. In this
15K.
Oh,
Oh man, look at that.
right. Juicy. They're gonna decay by the morning time.
Oh, the KC is a little fragile.
It is real fragile. Those things are fucking stiff. That's why I don't take them off. They'll never go back on. All right, so we're back now. They're all mounted up. And yeah, that's basically it. So you know the deal, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's been fun. Catch you guys in the next one.